All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a little bit since I've made a YouTube video. I was in Dubai for the token event, but we are back. Okay, I'm back. I'm ready. I'm locked in. We're going to be doing live streams soon. Ton of cool stuff coming up. But in this video, I wanted to make a video on how to use the EzAlgo support and resistance zones. Okay, the zones that you see on your chart here. How do you use these? What time frame do you use? How do you take trades off of them? Let's jump right into it. So if we jump into the settings here on the EzAlgo trading indicator, by the way, first link in the description below if you guys would like this indicator for yourself, if you don't already have it. This is a price action indicator that I have developed for myself and for my trading strategy. And obviously I have decided to sell this indicator as a standalone for you guys to use as well. And not only has it changed my life, it's changed hundreds of my students' lives as well, because it helps remove a lot of the guesswork with trading, giving you those confluences and just saving you time from looking at the charts, right? So first link in the description below, but I have pretty much everything turned off except for the multi-timeframe support and resistance zones. That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Now, just for this example, I'm on SUI USDT. I have the 12-hour levels turned on. Now, what time frame levels should you use, right? We have a multi-time frame toggle, so you can use anywhere from the 1 minute to the 12-month time frame. So what's the best time frame to use? So it kind of depends on what time frame you're trading off of, right? If you're finding an entry on a 15 to 5 minute time frame, you maybe want to use 1 hour levels, but always, I like to use higher time frame levels in Confluence. So a higher time frame level is going to be a 12-hour or a daily level. It's important that I know where these higher time frame levels are, because these levels act as magnets. Price often will gravitate towards these higher time frame levels. Now, the indicator will automatically load in these levels on your chart here, right? But it's important to understand which levels are valid and which levels are not valid. And this is where you need to do your own due diligence as a trader to identify the levels with price history. Now, price history is very important when you're trading support and resistance, okay? I'm gonna make this very, very clear. Price history is very important. Now, I don't see many people on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, talking about support and resistance in this way, okay? I'm a self-taught trader. Yes, I've looked up to some people in the space like CryptoFace, Jason Casper, but I have learned everything by myself, okay? I didn't read any books. I didn't buy any courses. When it comes to strictly leverage trading, this was all trial and error. This was all self-taught by myself, just staring at the charts for hours and hours a day. Now, what I have noticed, okay, is that support and resistance levels that are well respected, or the levels that you will see a reaction from, aka take a trade from and become profitable, are levels with price history. Now, price history just means that these levels have been respected well in the past, okay? Multiple reactions from these levels. Now, good thing for you, right? These higher time frame levels oftentimes have price history as is, but you still want to look at these levels and confirm that they do indeed have price history. So let's go over a real-time example here on SUI USDT. So I see we have our key support level marked out for us, right? I can see that it was a previous structure high here, meaning we were in a downtrend, right? Lower lows and lower highs until we had broken this previous structure high, creating a market structure shift to the upside. And now we'd be looking to retest this level as support to continue higher to the upside, okay? But not only is this level a previous structure high that we can see right here, this is also a key level, okay? So a key level is just a level with price history. Now, to tell if a level has price history is to always look left, okay? If I look left, what do I see? Well, I can see this level had acted as resistance, right? Resistance, support, 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 support. So this level was very well respected in the past. Even if we go all the way to the left, way back in November, right? We can see this level acted as support as well. So this passes the test for price history. This is a key level, multiple reactions at this level. So not only is this a previous structure high that we've recently broken out of, not only do we have a bullish imbalance or a bullish fair value gap here, we also have a key level with multiple reactions to this level in the past, telling us that price will most likely bounce from this level if we test this level once again. Okay, so in real time, I've already posted this inside of the Pro Discord, but this is a level that I'm looking to take a long position off of, okay? I'm gonna wait for price to come down to this 12-hour level, and as soon as price comes down into this general zone, I'm gonna drop to a lower time frame, look for bullish divergences here on my Easy Oscillator, which is also part of the EzAlgo indicator bundle, and I will look for a long position targeting this most recent high as my first take profit to continue this trend to the upside. longs are valid in this case because we saw a market structure shift with displacement, right? This is a very strong displacement move to the upside, leaving behind multiple bullish candles, leaving behind multiple bullish fair value gaps. This is a bullish move. This is where we'd be looking for that 1-2 setup to the upside, right? 1, 2, continue the 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave to the upside. Again, using these EzAlgo horizontal zones as confluence. Now, let's say price for some reason fails this level. Okay, let's say we get stopped out, or let's say we don't have any reactions on a lower time frame. Maybe it's a news day. For whatever reason, we fail this level and this trade gets stopped out. We can still look for long positions at these next higher time frame levels. Okay, this next 12-hour level, what do we notice? Again, it's a level with price history. If we look left, what can we see at this level? Right, we have bounced from this level as support. Right, bounce from this level once as support, resistance, 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 resistance. How many reactions is that just in the past, few months or so, right? Like 10 reactions from this level. And now we'll be looking to test this level as support once again. So we can continue to use these levels and look for trades at these levels as long as we see that these levels have price history, okay? Even if we look left even further, this level was acting as resistance, resistance. These two levels are the main levels that I'm looking to take longs off of on a lower time frame, okay? This level here and this level right here. Again, just simply by looking at the chart, using the levels that EzAlgo automatically provides for me, and then going down to a lower time frame. I've made multiple videos on how to find a lower time frame entry using the oscillator. Let's look at another example here on Solana USDT. Okay, this is another great example here. I'm looking for a long at this 12-hour support zone on Solana, okay? Again, what is the reasoning behind this? Well, if I look left, this is another key level with price history. This isn't just a random support level. We've bounced from this level multiple times in the past. Okay, this is like a gravity level. This is kind of like a magnet. Now, something I preach as well when I trade key levels is I like to stack confluences. Yes, a key level is great, but I like to see other confluences as well. So we have other confluences here, like a sweep of this level, right? A liquidity low or a structure low right here we can see being swept, and then we can go up. We also have our key fib level or our optimal trade entry. So this is another potential long idea. Again, as soon as price comes down to this level, I'll drop to a lower time frame, look for some of those bullish divergences here on the oscillator going down to a 15-minute time frame to enter the trade. Now, some of you guys may be asking, well, Matt, why didn't you take a trade, or why weren't you looking to take a long position at this level? Okay, at this level, which is now resistance, right? When price closed above, shouldn't you be looking for a long position here? Because this is also technically, right, a key level. We got some price history here, right? Previous structure high. The reason I didn't look to take a long position at this level is because we didn't displace above it. Okay, we swept above this high, but we never saw that displacement move to the upside, creating bullish fair value gaps, right? Really showing us that this was a breakout and retest rather than just a sweep of this external liquidity, right? This was not a valid breakout. So in this case, right, this is a valid breakout of this key level, right? This is a valid breakout. We've displaced above this level. There is room between that structure break and that previous high that we've made. This is a displacement move to the upside, so we can look for retests of this key level. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Again, I have my 12-hour levels pulled up on Bitcoin. I can see we have another key level here on Bitcoin. This is also a level that I posted inside of the Pro Discord. Okay, you can see this level was acting as resistance, resistance, resistance. We've broken above this level. Now we're looking to test this level as support. This is a key level. Actually, both of these levels here are key levels with price history that we can look to take longs off of. We also have some other confluences as well, such as this local golden pocket. From the swing low to the swing high, we can see that that golden pocket perfectly overlaps our support zone. This is exactly what we want to see as a final form of confirmation. I'll show you guys one more example of a key level with price history. Okay, we're looking at Hype USDT. I'm on the 1 hour time frame with the 4-hour support and resistance zones pulled up. Okay, I'm looking at this long idea here on Hype. We have a 4-hour support zone, again with price history. How do we know this is price history? Well, again, we're going to look left. Okay, have we bounced from this level in the past? Yes, right? 1, 2, right? Again, look at this. Look how many times we bounced from this level, right? 3, 4, 5 times. This is a key level with price history that we can look to take a trade off of. Another beautiful, beautiful trade idea here on Hype. This is an algorithm that I've been working on for over 3 years now, almost 3.5 years. The reason my trading strategy hasn't changed since the inception of this YouTube channel is because my strategy works, okay? I built a system on a strategy that I know has historically worked and will work forever. So again, if you guys want access to this indicator for yourself and to join my pro Discord where you guys can follow my exact trades every single day, click the first link in the description below or go to www.ezalgo.ai, and I will see you guys inside.